About to go check out this place. It's supposedly haunted. It's 5 minutes down my way. So about to see what's up with that. Honestly, I've never even heard of this place is haunted, but recently I found videos just from other YouTubers and like on Google that this area is haunted. So I don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna go check it out, and that's what they're gonna do right now. Got my flashlights ready, got things ready to go, so don't know what to expect. Pretty tired too, but yeah, anytime I hear something like that, I gotta go check it out. Alright, so here we are. We're on Dog Kennel Road. Rose Tree Road and Dog Kennel, where they meet. And let me tell you, it is super narrow. It's just as narrow as the road we took, Devil's Road, that one time. And it's super quiet back here too. Whoa, these roads are really narrow. It's almost like hard to like not go off this side. Just keep your eyes peeled.
A little girl died here. You can see her ghost sitting on the bridge.
I literally just found out about this place. What is that? So, all my life, well, not all my life, but I've lived in media, and I've never heard about this urban legend until tonight. I mean, it just goes to show you that I wasn't even fully informed of the situation, but a young girl supposedly died back here and haunts this road. Is that like a little right here? And you see a reflection of it spit on her. It is super creepy back here. Looks like we're about to, yeah, it's like another bridge.
They said there was 3.
3 bridges in total. It's like, what's the point of putting the line? Because it's just so narrow. I'm trying to go a little slower, but you pick up momentum and you can't really help it. I basically have been riding the brake the entire time. And then there's some like random fence right here. It looks like we're about to come to like some sort of crossroads. It's kind of hard to see out that way though.
Dangerous curves.
Huh?
There's dangerous curves ahead.
Dangerous curves ahead. So we're gonna take this all the way out and see what's in store for us. It's almost like a cliff down there.
Probably how she died.
You think? Been down here. This must be the 3rd bridge. looks like kind of coming across civilization again. But what?
So that is a nice house.
I'm sure. We're basically in the woods. Oh, look at this sky. It's not pitch black like the rest of. What is going on there? Whoa. What is this?
That's somebody's garage.
Are you sure about that? You don't really think it's abandoned?
I don't know.
That looks abandoned to me.
It looks like a house up there.
I mean, maybe not. Maybe it's not abandoned, but it sure looks abandoned to me. There's another one here. Now I can tell that one's not abandoned. Normally, I feel like you'd at least come across one car. We haven't come across any. We didn't come across a ghost of a little girl, but what I can tell you is, these roads are very dark, narrow, and creepy at night. At one point, I did think I saw something in the woods. If you are ever in the area and you come across Dog Kennel Road and it happens to be midnight, drive down it. You might just find the ghost of the little girl.